welcome back to my channel. So first vlog is gonna make a new what we have some yes I got some new kitchen appliances for today. So kitchen tech. Okay, so this is the Hamilton Beach coffee maker, right? So here it goes, guys. So I've got the new, and it's also this is what I've got this from clearance aisle. So after I enter the Walmart, so just left side. Okay, so the left side from section. So I think that if you see yellow, this one right here, if you see a yellow aisle, yellow that an aisle that has a yellow, so excuse me, so that's the clearance sale. So I saved $6.43 because I bought this for only $15.01. Oh, right, right. Okay, nice. That is so perfect, and also really like this because so since I'm always uh making some coffee. So we've got right here with a front fill mini brew 5 cup programmable coffee maker. So what is in this box? So filling is easy with front fill, water reservoir, and swing open brew basket. So it can make 5 cups. So brew up to 5 cups or two large 12-ounce cups. The perfect amount of coffee. So wake up ready coffee with easy touch programming. Oh, nice. Okay, and get your first cup fast with auto pause and pour. So what's inside? So yes, live in and also it can be washed in a dishwasher, right? So yes, and then right, so nothing to see. So let's go. Gonna open this up. So and this still, you know, it this is has been. I think this has been open. So and then I just saw some scotch tape here at the bottom. So let's at the top, right? So let's go gonna open this up. So let's try to open this. Okay, and then let's see this coffee maker what it looks like, right? So it's gonna have to open this up right here, and then oops, okay, harder, this is harder than I thought. Okay, and then here it goes, is open. Okay, so let's go gonna check it out. Oh, okay, we've got some, right over here. So let's go gonna take it off, right? So let's go gonna take it off, and then oh, nice, love it. So okay, and then let's go take the coffee, right? So let's go gonna take the coffee. Be careful, okay? I have to be careful for this one. Okay, then here it goes. I'm gonna have to, it's so hard to take this off, so I'm gonna have to take it off since there's a glass. Okay, and this glass is, right? So whoa, nice. Okay, it is so cute, right? So small and cute, right? And then let's go gonna, okay, so right here. Okay, what is this? Okay, paperwork. So this is the manual guide. Okay, 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 gonna check that out, how to use this one. Okay, so right here is the Hamilton Beach coffee maker. So this is the plug. Okay, and then I'm gonna go take this off first. Okay, I'm gonna have to take this off, and then for this one, since it was one nice, perfect, right? Okay, so this is the cup for you to have the coffee in here. Since I already have some coffee, so I'm gonna have to try that out. Okay, let's check. Oh, nice, nice. Okay, I love it. So there it goes, and then you have to put that off. So perfect for small apartments and kitchens, right? So nice. Okay, so how to pour? I think, oh, okay, okay, right here at the top, the water to be poured, right? So we're gonna have to put the water in there, and then let's go gonna check some Okay. Uh, I think this one. Oh, okay. Here it goes. So this is where the coffee. This is where the coffee you gonna put. This is where the coffee you put right here. So the perfect. Love it. Okay, I love it. So nice. Okay, and then gonna have to put it on right over here in the coffee. Gonna start making. Right. So oops. Okay, it's opening up. So gonna have to be careful is because this is a glass, so I'm gonna have to be careful. So my other coffee maker is broken, the glass is broken, so I cannot use it anymore. But I think I'm gonna have to find some replacement for this one for my other coffee maker right in the kitchen. Okay, so right, can I go this one right here, brew programming option. Right, we got some right here, so we got some programming option, hour, minute, and also brew. Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna have to try this out. Okay, I'm gonna have to try this. Okay, let's go gonna try it out. So if it so right, so I think gonna go to the kitchen, or I think I'm gonna have to check some um you know right. So got some. Okay, I'm gonna have to put that right over here. So I have some, right over here at the back. So I think I'm gonna have to turn it off. Okay, this Pikachu night light lamp. Okay, so be right back for a couple of minutes. So as you can see right there, there's the, you know, it's already program. I'm gonna have to program it. So just try to let's try to program it, since I cannot, right? So this is only the unboxing, right? So I'm gonna have to make sure if it's gonna be work. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so let's go gonna put some water on it. So okay, so I'm gonna have to make sure the coffee, I'm gonna have to put the coffee in here. So let's go gonna try that out. So okay, gonna have to, the coffee. So I have to put the coffee, and then also gonna have to put some water. Okay, I'm gonna have to put some water right over here. So there's also um, at the, right, I'm gonna have to put some. Okay, uh, just only for 3 liters. Okay, okay, there it goes. So let's go to the 3 liters, and then let's go gonna brew. Okay, as you can see, there's the green. So let's just wait for a couple of minutes if it's gonna be working, alright? So, okay. So let's just try for a couple of minutes. And then let's try it out if it's gonna be working, right? So still the water is not, yes, please. It's because S is still brewing, right? So let's go gonna check for a couple of minutes. Oh, there you go. Oh, okay. Nice. Okay, perfect. So as you can see, the mist at the one. Okay, let's go gonna have to check that out. So okay, let's go try it up. So I just only pour some water for 3 minutes, and then 3 minutes from the back of this one, where at the besides of this one there's and also there's also this one right here for also for 3 minutes. So for 3 liters it's gonna be filling up all the water, so it is necessary. So it's already I think already 2 liters at the back of this one. So let's go gonna check that out. Perfect. Okay, nice. Perfect. So here it goes. So let's just gonna see that I want, okay, if it's gonna be working it out. So it is already filling up, and then this kind of coffee maker is also this also kind of coffee maker is also good, and it's also nice and perfect for you to have this one. So I think I'm gonna have to set that you know I think I'm gonna have to set the I forgot it that time for this one. So it says it is a programming option, right? So just working, right? So yeah, this one is good, and also really like, okay, you can still add some more water if you want. Okay, so but I think for only one pack of for only one pack, so you can have just that one, right? So okay, and I think that will be the last. Okay, so for only 2 liters, okay. Oh, okay. I don't know, liters or I don't know. So it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be turning red if it is gonna be filled up, right? So okay, there's still more. Okay, okay, there's still okay. Since I just pour three on this the on the side, so I think it's gonna be pour three also right here at the cup, right? So let's go gonna check that out if it's gonna be working, right? So okay, okay, yeah, already, okay, and I think that will be yes, and it is stopping. I think yeah, it's stopping, right? Okay, here it goes, and then let's go gonna check that one. Here it goes. Yeah, here's the coffee. Good. Love it. Nice. I'm gonna have to still brewing. Okay. Okay. Here it goes. Gonna have to press that one if you want to stop it, right? So very good and perfect. Okay, so okay, let's go. Gonna go back. Head to my, Okay, so I'm gonna put that right over there. Okay. So okay guys, so that's my Hamilton Beach coffee maker, and Hamilton Beach I saw some Hamilton Hamilton Beach gadgets, right? Like a blender or shaker, coffee maker, anything that I see in Walmart. So I think Hamilton Beach is also a good product, right? So this is not a sponsored video, okay? I just bought this in my own money, and then hopefully soon gonna be Hamilton Beach gonna be sponsoring my videos. Okay, so my thoughts for the coffee maker, so good and nice, and also I really like that also, and then also I really like it's so cute, small, okay, and also this is a good one. This is a perfect also for me to have this, right? So and also also I'm a coffee lover, right? So I always drink coffee, so and then also I really like it a lot, and also this is a good one. Okay, so I think that's it for this vlog, and I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Okay, so thank you for and give you some of my good stuff. So subscribe to my channel. Okay.